afternoon right there. This is DJ RJ signing in. It's 1:27 p.m. and we're in 1:27 p.m. and we're still searching for a hotel to sleep in. So, we just entered Mabalacat, Pampanga. This is where our friend Lemel Dizon, the other member of the crew, lives. But unfortunately, he wasn't able to come due to personal reasons. Yes. So, you can see right there. I'll give you some touring. I'll tour you here in Mabalacat, Pampanga because somehow I have some background in touring people. So you can see right there the Funeraria Galang, and when you pass that Funeraria Galang, you can see some many vulcanizing shop and some wreckers for cars with broken wheels and broken engine and broken doors. So I can remember what my mother said. She said 2 days ago, when I turn out of the night, even the night, it only reminds me of you. So very interesting, right? Because somehow in that line you cannot understand what my mother is saying at all. But as you can see, it's already 1:28 p.m. and we're still stuck in this car, still searching for a hotel with a pool because we want to take a bath, because a while ago we went to unknown places, places where there are so many talahib, but I call that bakawan. They don't want to accept my term bakawan because due to personal reasons. I can understand why. So there, this little J signing off. We'll get in touch for some updates and travel advisories for this trip. Okay?
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.